My dear students, today I want to discuss a very important chapters, topics, perimeter and area of plane figures. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आज हम एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया ऑफ प्लेन फिगर्स डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. दिस टॉपिक इज वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट for MCQ type of questions. So my advice to you is you must go through this chapter, go through this, watch the videos and take its notes sincerely. You must attend class regularly. So I want to discuss what is perimeter. The perimeter of a plane figure is the length of its boundary. Length of its boundary. What is perimeter of polygon? The perimeter of polygon is the sum of the lengths of its sides. You know that triangle is the smallest polygon. So the perimeter of the triangle is A plus B plus C, and it is denoted by 2s. And it is denoted by 2s. So my dear student, the perimeter of triangle is A plus B plus C, and it is denoted by 2s. So now, what is unit of perimeter? It is very very important. The unit of perimeter is same as the unit of length. As the unit of length. What is area? The area of a plane figure is the measure of the surface enclosed by its boundary. The area of a plane figure is the measure of the surface enclosed by its boundary. The area of a triangle or a polygon is the measure of the surface enclosed by its side. Area is measured in square units such as square centimeter and square meters, written as centimeter square and meter square respectively. My dear student, now what is the area of the triangle? You know that area of the triangle is half into base into corresponding height. This corresponding height is very very important. What does it mean? I want to discuss what is corresponding height. Suppose ABC is a triangle, BC is base, then its height will be AD. If you consider AC is base, ACB base, then its corresponding height will be B. If you consider AB as base, then its corresponding height will be CD. So you must know the meaning of corresponding. Now I want to discuss what is Hero's formula. Just I have discussed. Let ABC be the length of sides of the triangle. So its perimeter will be 2s and A plus B plus S, and semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2. So Hero's formula here is square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is semi-perimeter, square unit. By knowing this formula, by applying this formula, you can find the area without knowing the altitudes of a triangle. So this formula is very very important to solve the problems of area of plane figure. In a right angle triangle ABC, in which angle B is 90 degree, so we have area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AB. Now my dear student, in an equilateral triangle of side A, we have height is equal to, height of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 2 by A units. You know AB is A, BC is A, and AC is A. So perpendicular drawn from vertex to opposite side will be the height. So it will be A by 2. So applying Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square BD square, we can find height is equal to root 3 by 2A units. Area is equal to root 3 by 4A square unit. And perimeter is equal to 3A units for an isosceles triangle ABC, in which AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. Now AB is equal to A, BC is equal to, here we consider B, so BD is equal to B by 2. AC is equal to A because it is an isosceles triangle. So the height of isosceles triangle is equal to square root of 4a square minus b square by 2. How will you get it? We apply the Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle ADB, and by using Pythagoras theorem we can find the value of AD. AD is equal to root over a square minus b by 2 whole square. My dear student, you must know this result because it is very, very important for the purpose of multiple type of questions. Area is equal to 1 by 4 into b square root of 4 square minus b square square units. Perimeter is equal to twice a plus b twice a plus b यूनिट्स. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आज मैं तुम्हें एक ऐसे थ्योरम के बारे में जानकारी देना चाहता हूँ जिस पर आधारित सवाल केवल 10 में ही नहीं पूछता है बल्कि कंपटीशन में भी पूछता है, और इस थ्योरम का नाम हिपोक्रेट्स थ्योरम है. तुमको थ्योरम से लेना देना नहीं है, लेकिन इस थ्योरम के बारे में भी तुमको जानकारी देना चाहता हूँ. ये थ्योरम है हिपोक्रेट्स थ्योरम. ये एनसीईआरटी का अद्भुत गुण है कि उस थ्योरम को सवाल के रूप में दिया है और ये सीबीएसई में पूछा जाता है. तो आप थ्योरम के रूप में भी सवाल के रूप में भी इसको जानने की कोशिश कीजिए. इसको जानने से आप बहुत सारे सवाल को बना सकते हैं और इसको बहुत ही सरल तरीक़ा से मैंने यहाँ डिस्कस किया है. आशा है आप इसको बार बार पढ़ेंगे. ये आपको आगे के कंपटीशन के लिए भी तैयारी के लिए मदद करेगा. व्हाट डज दिस थ्योरम स्टेट? Hippocrates theorem states in right angle triangle ABC the sum of area of two shaded crescent, this is known as crescent. Shaded area is known as crescent. क्यों crescent? क्योंकि ये चंद्रमा के जैसा लगता है, इसीलिए इसको crescent कहा जाता है. In right angle triangle ABC the sum of areas of two shaded crescent or lunes equals the area of the triangle ABC. My dear students, what do you observe? We observe that a semicircle is drawn on the side AB and another semicircle is drawn on the side BC, and a semicircle is also drawn on the side AC. Of course, if a semicircle is drawn on AC, it will pass through the point B because at the point B a right angle triangle is formed. So now my dear student, what do you observe by considering AB as diameter? Here AXB is a semicircle, BYC is a semicircle, considering BC as diameter, and considering AC as diameter, ABC is a semicircle. So from Pythagoras theorem, A square plus C square is equal to B square. Therefore, multiplying both sides by pi, we have pi square plus pi c square is equal to pi b square. And hence, pi square by 8 plus pi b square by 8, pi c square by 8 is equal to pi b square by 8. That is, the area of semicircle with diameter BC plus area of semicircle with diameter AB equals area of semicircle with diameter AC. Now, we here separate the segments and we write the area in term of segment. First plus fourth plus second plus 5 is equal to third plus 4 plus 5. Area of semicircle which is made on the side AB. Area of semicircle which is made on the side AB of the triangle is first plus second. Made on the side BC is second plus 5 is equal to area of semicircle made on the hypotenuse AC is equal to segment 3 plus segment 4 plus segment 5. Considering the common area, cancelling the common area, by removing the common area we have first plus second is equal to 3. Third is what? Third is area of right angle triangle. And first is what? The shaded region. And second is what? The shaded region. In this way, this theorem becomes proved. So my dear student, I hope you have understood me, you have followed me. By knowing all these facts, now you would be able to solve the problem of area of plane figure. I hope after watching the video, sincerely taking its note, now you would be able to solve the problem relating of this exercise. In next video, I will also give you also some more information. Thank you. Thank you very much.